Samsung Display CEO Dr. J.S. Choi unveiled a remarkable and above all useful new tool from the Korean company at the most recent Intel Innovation Keynote 2022 event in September, the first stretchy computer screen that can change from 13 to 17 inches in a flash. The screens on modern smartphones are getting bigger and more optimized, like the folding screen on the Samsung Flip. It was just a matter of time until tablets and computer screens started to follow this trend. In order to provide user experiences that meet consumer demands, Dr. J.S. Choi demonstrated the prototype of a 13-inch sliding screen that can expand horizontally while enlarging the displayed image up to 17 inches. However, no information regarding resolution, brightness, or other specifics related to the image has yet been revealed. This new product has been developed in particular for computers that have sizes similar to tablets such as the Microsoft Surface Go 3. This innovation is a continuation of that which Samsung demonstrated last May with a vertically stretching OLED screen. And in a similar spirit, we invite you to rediscover this innovative screen video that you lick to taste the flavors that appear.
So I saw this prototype when I was on a trip to South Korea, and I instantly saw the potential for our platform. And I just wanted to let everybody geek out a bit with JS, Ria, and I. So JS, what do you got here?
Yeah, it's great to be here. So this is a small PC, right? But sometimes we need a bigger screen. So let's see. I'll show you the magic. Whoa. Oh, oh.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta play.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
All right, I want to try. Phenomenal.
I'm sure this shows one of the great examples of future trend of PCs. It's because I'm here today to demonstrate this demo. It's very important for Samsung Display to collaborate between ecosystem developers in hardware and software together to achieve this kind of innovative form factor PCs for best user scenarios. So let me have this one. So today we announced world first 17-inch slidable display for PC globally for the first time.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah, this device will satisfy Ria's need for larger screen and also its portability as well. With flexible display, we implemented sliding technology rather than foldable. Foldable is gone. But it's just beginning, right? So with this slidable flex and software collaborations, we expect to see better and best user scenarios of PC in the near future.
JS, thank you for joining us here, right? And as the leading provider of OLED technologies, as many decades of partnership, this just convinces me we got a lot more coming between us. Thank you for joining us, JS.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ria.